I will show you how to install a VPN on your PCs. A VPN, or Virtual Private Network, is a service that encrypts your traffic and routes it through a server in another location. This can help to protect your privacy and security when you're using the internet. In this video, I will show you how to install a free VPN that is also a premium-based service. Please be aware that there are multiple software that can do this. Most software needs you to download software that will link your computer with their servers. Because using a VPN usually means you need to download software, please be aware of what you download. There might be software that are malicious. So before we start, let's see a top of the best free VPNs for Windows. Proton VPN. Proton VPN is a Swiss-based VPN provider that offers a free plan with unlimited bandwidth and no data caps. Proton VPN is known for its strong security and privacy features. It uses AES 256 encryption and a strict no-logs policy. Proton VPN also has a good selection of servers in over 60 countries. To use Proton VPN, simply download the app and create an account. Once you're logged in, you can select a server and connect. Proton VPN is very easy to use, and it's a good option for beginners. Privado VPN. Privado VPN is another great free VPN option. It offers unlimited data and speeds, and it has servers in over 60 countries. Privado VPN also has a strict no-logs policy and uses strong encryption to protect your data. Privado VPN is very easy to use, and it's a good option for beginners. It also has a desktop app for Windows, which makes it even easier to use. Windscribe. Windscribe is a free VPN that's known for its generous data limits. It offers 10 GB of data per month, which is more than most other free VPNs. Windscribe also has a good selection of servers in over 60 countries. However, Windscribe does show ads to its free users. To use Windscribe, simply download the app and create an account. Once you're logged in, you can select a server and connect. Windscribe is very easy to use, and it's a good option for beginners. Atlas VPN. Atlas VPN is a newer free VPN, but it's quickly gaining popularity. It offers unlimited data and speeds, and it has servers in over 70 countries. Atlas VPN also has a strict no-logs policy and uses strong encryption to protect your data. Atlas VPN is very easy to use, and it's a good option for beginners. It also has a desktop app for Windows, which makes it even easier to use. TunnelBear. TunnelBear is a free VPN that's known for its simple and easy-to-use interface. It offers 500 MB of data per month, which is less than some of the other free VPNs on this list. However, TunnelBear is a good option for beginners or for people who only need a VPN for occasional use. To use TunnelBear, simply download the app and create an account. Once you're logged in, you can select a server and connect. TunnelBear is very easy to use, and it's a good option for beginners. This is one of the best VPNs that are free. You can find many more that are paid. But how can you choose a VPN provider? There are many different VPN providers out there, so it's important to do your research and choose one that is reputable and offers the features you need. Here are a few things to consider when choosing a VPN provider. Reputation. Make sure that the VPN provider has a good reputation and has been in business for a while. Features. Make sure that the VPN provider offers the features you need, such as strong encryption, a variety of server locations, and a no-logs policy. Price. Make sure that the VPN provider offers a price that you're comfortable with. Let's install one of the VPNs from the list. We will install Proton VPN on our Windows PC. To install Proton VPN on Windows, follow these steps. Open the browser and write on the address bar Proton VPN. Go to the Proton VPN website. You will see the premium plans here. After the premium plan, there is also a free plan. Click on Get Proton Free. Click Continue with Free. Now it is time to create a Proton VPN account. Write your email address and click Start using Proton VPN. Set your password and continue to the next step. Click Download. Click Download Proton VPN. Double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. Click Yes. Choose your language and click OK. Select a location for the Proton VPN installation folder and click Next. Click Next until the button is changed to Install. Now, click Install to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Log in with your created account. Write your email and password and click Sign in. You can take the tour to see more info about the software. To connect to a Proton VPN server, simply click the Quick Connect button. Proton VPN will automatically connect you to the fastest server for your location. You can also choose to connect to a specific server by clicking the Servers tab and selecting the server that you want to connect to. This option is mostly for premium users. To disconnect from a Proton VPN server, simply click the Disconnect button. That's it. Once you've followed these steps, you will have successfully installed a VPN on your PC. Here are the 10 best tips for using a VPN. Choose a reputable VPN provider. Not all VPN providers are created equal. Do some research to find a provider with a good reputation and a strong track record of protecting user privacy. Use a strong encryption protocol. When choosing a VPN, make sure to select one that uses a strong encryption protocol, such as AES 256 or OpenVPN. This will help to ensure that your traffic is secure and cannot be easily intercepted. Connect to a VPN server in a trusted location. When connecting to a VPN server, choose one in a country with strong privacy laws and a good track record of protecting user data. Keep your VPN software up to date. VPN software providers regularly release updates to patch security vulnerabilities and improve performance. Make sure to install these updates as soon as they are available. Use a kill switch. A kill switch is a feature that automatically disconnects your internet connection if your VPN connection drops. This can help to prevent your IP address from being exposed. Be careful about what information you share online. Even when using a VPN, it is important to be careful about what information you share online. Avoid sharing sensitive information, such as your credit card number or social security number, on public Wi-Fi networks. Use a firewall and antivirus software. In addition to using a VPN, it is also important to use a firewall and antivirus software to protect your devices from malware and other threats. Be aware of the limitations of VPNs. VPNs are not a perfect solution for online privacy. They cannot protect you from all threats, such as phishing attacks and social engineering attacks. Use a VPN on all of your devices. To get the most out of your VPN, make sure to use it on all of your devices, including your computer, smartphone, and tablet. Educate yourself about online privacy. The more you know about online privacy, the better equipped you will be to protect yourself. There are many resources available online to help you learn more about this topic. I hope this video has helped you to learn how to install a VPN on your PC. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.